Millions of track fittings keep Indian Railways safe. Revolutionizing rail fitting traceability. Introducing an AI-based laser QR code marking and tracking system for enhanced quality control. Step 1 Manual and AI-assisted camera inspection of track fittings ensures surface quality. Step 2 Operators enter vendor, part name, batch number, manufacturing date, and warranty into a custom app. Step 3 Process. Software generates a unique ID converted into a durable QR code. Fiber laser is used for metal parts and CO2 laser for rubber and plastic components. This ensures durable marking suitable for harsh environments. Step 4 The QR code is permanently engraved onto the fitting surface with precision laser technology. Step 5 Post engraving camera validation ensures QR code readability and engraving quality. If QR code validation fails, the system alerts operators for re-engraving or manual review. Laser marking process control, controlled by Arduino or microcontroller, ensures precision, safety, and repeatability in laser engraving. Database integration. QR code data connects to a centralized database, integrated with Indian Railways UDM and TMS platforms. Mobile app access. Field engineers scan QR codes to access batch, vendor, warranty, and inspection history. AI analytics predict component failures for preventive maintenance. Key benefits overview. End-to-end traceability, improved quality, error reduction, fraud prevention, and maintenance efficiency. Durable laser engraving withstands harsh weather and operational conditions for lasting identification. Empowering Indian Railways' digital maintenance ecosystem. This solution enhances safety, traceability, and operational efficiency through innovative AI technology. Empower railway safety with AI-driven laser QR tracking.